Good morning, guys. I couldn't figure out how to do a live Facebook. I don't know if they updated their interface or if they don't allow it anymore, but we are gonna go feed the animals. And I have Mary to help me today. Right, Mary?
So where are you going? The goats? They're feeding the goats. What is in there? What do you mean?
Who do you have to go feed?
Freddy Biscuit, come! I'll put it. We are feeding the pigs. Look at go. So we'll be feeding the big pig over there, and thanks for watching.